Hello, my name is Eric Christensen, CEO of the Heart of America Medical Center, and thank you for watching this week's CEO Update. I just wanted to let all the staff know that in the coming weeks here, or just actually next week, be expecting an employee satisfaction survey. I'm working with Values Coach and Joe Ty, and the leadership team has been working with Joe to work on a new culture in the organization, or bringing our culture to the next level. And so what we're going to be sending out is an employee satisfaction survey. So just ask that you please help us with this and participate in that survey. It'll be a pretty short survey. It's about, I think, 19-20 questions. It'll be on a SurveyMonkey. So ask that you just work with us on that and just be looking for that survey here in the next week. COVID update. There wouldn't be a weekly update without a COVID update. So just needed to bring to the attention to our staff and into the public that our long-term care has just been put into an outbreak status. This is not due to any positives among the residents, however, but we were put into an outbreak status, and this means a couple of things. First of all, we no longer will be allowing indoor visitations for the time being. So until further notice, we are canceling indoor visitation, and we will not be allowing indoor visitation except for compassionate care visits. All staff need to be tested as scheduled, so no longer just unvaccinated staff, but all staff will have to be tested per the schedule that is sent out by infection prevention. So please be on the lookout for that and what the testing requirements will be. So again, just some little extra requirements here since we are in an outbreak status in our long-term care. I also wanted to remind the public, just everybody out there, that we still are required to suggest masks, and we are asking the masks be worn when you come into our facilities. That's still a CDC requirement, and so as a healthcare facility, masks are still a requirement there, and we just ask that you would if you have any questions, speak to the people that are either in the admissions counter. We can provide you with a mask or with any instruction, or if you have an issue with wearing a mask, just speak to the staff and certainly work through that. But masks are still a requirement in our facilities. New building discussions. Lots of things going on with discussion around the new building. We met with a group from the governor's office here this past Monday, looking for discussions on what to do with our current structure here. So a lot of good discussions there, and the steering committee, a group from our steering committee, is working on those questions, and so we're moving forward, getting a lot of information. So we had a good meeting on Monday with a group from the governor's office, and also Kevin Kramer is going to be here tomorrow on Friday, and so Kevin Kramer is going to be here and just beginning these discussions on what can be done here for Heart of America as we look towards a new facility. So looking forward to that discussion with Senator Kramer. Also, just for information, I will be visiting and have been visiting churches. So I visited one church last week, and then this next week I'll visit going to another church. Try to every week to get to a church, and what I want to do is just meet with the congregations when they're available, just to have discussions regarding what our plans are with the new facility. And of course, since the churches are our owners, I want to make sure that I communicate with them, and if you have any questions, that's an opportunity to speak with me. And so again, I'm trying to make myself available as much as I can. If there's other suggestions on how I can reach out regarding the new building discussion, just let me know. Also, regarding the new building discussion, our builder's rep's going to be here on June 10th. He wants to look at what our plans are, where we're looking at building. He wants to meet with some of the principals in this new building process, and so he will be on site and going over the process and really kicking it off as to where we need to go in the next few months. Finally, just wanted to let everybody know that our annual charity golf tournament is full. So we've gotten all our teams. It's very early, so a real big thank you out there to Darcy and Kathy and to the team there for getting this put together again this year. It's always a fun event. So just thank you to all the volunteers and participants as well for signing up for this event. So this year's charity golf event will create funds or bring in funds for a badly needed remodel of our bathroom facilities by the ER, and so that'll definitely help with the facilities by the ER and the patients that come in that area. So really excited about this year's charity golf tournament and the fact that we have all the participants already in place. So again, if you have any questions about that, you can certainly look on our website. There's a lot of information there about how you can still help, how we can still get involved. So thank you for the group that has gotten this set up and ready to go for this year. So with that, I just want to thank you again for watching, and just remember, at Heart of America, your health is our passion.